Alright, I'm up at 7. It's 7 o'clock and it's winter, or nearly winter. So I've got that set up. Alright, we're going to put some of these in here. There's my copper crucible, we probably can't see it that well. That one there, I'm going to just drop in later when it gets hot. So I'll do that. So I'm probably going to grab a real big one, this one here. That one there will do, if we can't see it. Shove that down in there. That'll do for now, I reckon. So we'll shove that down here. Okay. Look at that flame. Ooh, that's a blue flame. Ever seen a blue flame? Okay, so the rest of it is going to be, oh, sorry, I probably can't see there. Right, so the rest of it's there. So got a couple of small little bits. That's from the last melt. So I'll chuck that in there, and then we'll chuck this big one in there. I'm guessing we'll get. It's about 5 kilo, and these are half kilo. So we should get nearly 10 or more. We'll see how we go. We'll do that for the rest of them. So now I've got that. The blue flame, it was turned right down. Actually turned right down to 0. So this is MPA. I like to have it at 10, 1 MPA I mean. So she's getting hot now. Won't be long we'll be doing this. So we're just going to melt that today, and we'll drop that one in. Probably got a little bit of solder in there, but that's okay. Just add a bit more. There's some Bear Bright. That was some Bear Bright that I did during the week, and you can see it was a little bit burnt there. So that'll be a good one. And that was this one here. That's a 240 volt lead. That was a Lucky lead. I think it was a 20 meter Lucky lead, that one. That's all you get out of 20 meters. Anyway. Camera's having a drama today. Not a bad day today. Righto, we're going to add this to it now. molten copper on the bottom. Okay, a better picture. I think that's the last one, and then we'll do a pour. Alright, so I've only got two left, so this is the first pour, and you know it's ready when your Rio comes out with no copper on it. Put that there. There you go. Alright, let's get this out. Ooh, that's heavy. Oh. Okay. Feel that heat coming off that. It is hot. Look at that. Alright. Here's our pour. Here we go. Oh. I think I got it right there. There you go, look at that. I've got a tiny little dribble left. I think we'll put some more in. Put the rest of it in there and do that. That can cool down. I'll just put the rest of those in there. Put that in there. See what I'm doing there? You can see both things. Hole in that one. I don't know what happened there. There you go. All right, here we go. Three 3.1, 3.6, 4.1. We should hit the 5, 5.2, and we're looking at 5.5 kilo. There you go. Look at that. It's the new oil. Copper is the new oil. It's going to be the new oil in this next decade or so. Alright, we'll put that away. Okay, so we'll put them away. They go here. So there's another 5.5 kilo. There's that one there. And that one there. There we go. Alright guys, if you like that, subscribe and all the rest of it. And see you next time.